4G plus je...
Pozri sa, už máme všetko.
4G plus. To je prvý, čo to majú.
A už to máme zase 4G plus.
4G plus, stále to mám. Pozeráme Touch IT, Branimíra. Nice.
Najlepšiu 4G sieť na Slovensku.
Branimíra.
Ja som to videla, lebo neviem, kde to máš a ukáž mi to prstom.
Tak to hovorí 4G plus.
Super.
A keby si dal nejaký speed test ešte?
Môžeme skúsiť. Toto ide... Dobre, tak 190-ku. 190 na okle. Starý
ja trošku znížim.
Ja teraz som na uploade. Tak musíš povedať, kedy testuješ ty.
Práve si preniesol mesačný balík.
No, tak ešte jeden test vám venujem, keď Kubo dotestuje, tak ale 190 je cool.
Takže
Brutálne to ide, akože...
OK, super.
No, tak dáme jeden ešte reštart.
No, počkaj.
Dáme 200.
195.
To ináč pozor, lebo ona je limitovaná
serverom, no.
To si nepomôžeš, vieš. Ale to už keď na okle ide 200, tak to už je akože...
Peťka.
To už je sila.
Každý paušal happy má nejaký objem dát, ale čím ideme ďalej, tak tým vidíme, že zákazníci majú tendenciu prekračovať. A potom majú dve možnosti. A aj v Telekome u nás bola taká dátová dilema, že čo urobiť. Či nechať tých zákazníkov na tom pomalšom tempe 64 kilobitov, alebo im ponúknuť nejaký nový balíček. A zvíťazila taká dvojkombinácia, že tým zákazníkom, ktorí platiť nebudú chcieť, necháme tú pomalšiu rýchlosť. A tí, ktorí budú sa chcieť zase oprieť do toho 4G vyššou rýchlosťou, by sme mali ponúknuť nejaké balíčky, ale doteraz sme mali iba jeden a zákazník mal možnosť kúpim, nekúpim. A odteraz sme sa rozhodli, že ponúkneme 3 balíčky, 100-kový, 500-kový a 1000 megabajtový a sám si zákazník vyberie, že OK, teraz mi stačí iba 100 mega dať na 2-3 dní, vydržím s tým, zaplatím 2 €, mám ho, alebo či potrebujem 500 megabajtový alebo 1000 megabajtový, keď napríklad ešte mi ostáva týždeň, 2 do konca obdobia. Ten rozdiel oproti súčasnosti je taký, máme také 3 skupiny zákazníkov. Tí najmenší zákazníky si tým, ako pribudne možnosť kupovať si menšie balíčky za menej peňazí. Také tie bestsellery, ako sú MKári a XL volania, tak tam ja si najviac mien, že v podstate za rovnaké peniaze, čo mali doteraz za 5,99, majú dvakrát toľko dát a ten 500 megabajtový balíček si môžu kúpiť za trošku nižšiu cenu. A tí, v podstate tí najväčší zákazníci, tí majú väčšinou 2, 4, 5, 6 gigabajtov dát, tak akože tým primárne ostáva tá možnosť kupovať ten gigabajt. Prípadne, keď si fakt posledný deň, 2 spomenú, tak aj tých 100 alebo 500 megabajtov.
Že sme na Magio pláži a naša otázka znie, v akej situácii sa momentálne nachádza 4G sieť od Telekomu?
Okay. So 4G network from Telecom is currently in the stage where we have rolled out 4G network to cover almost 57% of the outdoor population coverage, which basically means that the network is available in more than 105 cities, medium-sized cities, smaller cities, and the surrounding areas. We are also covering a majority of the major highways and the connecting roads. But apart from this coverage, what we are also doing and what we actually invested into in the last couple of months and the quarters is that actually we're continuously increasing the speed of the overall network. And today what we have actually shown here in Bratislava Magio pláž is that we are able to provide the speeds of 375 megabits per second in the lab environments. And in reality, in the city of Nitra, we just rolled out 225 megabits per second of the real customer available to experience speed.
Aké máte plány pokrytia do konca aktuálneho roka, prípadne rozširovania vyšších rýchlostí vo veľkých mestách?
Okay. So we are now planning to use this rollout in Nitra, which now has really the speed of 225 megabits per second for our customers. We are planning to use this as a test, as a kind of a test environment, where actually we want to experience how are the customers satisfied with it. If we see the appetite on the customer side, we actually plan to expand this network to this type of speeds in the following months and years. Of course, if we see that the appetite is much lower or smaller than we anticipated, we will postpone this a bit. But in reality, we are making concrete plans, and I would say in the next 18 months, we'll roll out speeds like 225 megabits per second, even higher, to a certain number of cities in Slovakia. But at this point in time, I cannot now tell you is it going to be 10, 15, 20, 30, but definitely we are looking deep into this Nitra case. If in Nitra this flies, we'll be actually willing to roll it out much faster.
Ako vnímajú zákazníci Telekomu 4G sieť? Využívajú tieto možnosti, respektíve ako sa mení ich správanie?
So the 4G network brings you much higher throughput, much lower latency. It actually improves your overall customer experience. The web pages which you are looking are uploaded to your smartphone much faster than on 3G or 2G. If you are playing any, let's say, interactive games, the delay or latency on this 4G infrastructure is very, very low. Basically, you have like 30 to 40 milliseconds of delay. Also, if you're downloading some standard definition or high definition videos, you are able to start watching the video very quickly. So we talk here about the time delays of, let's say, 1 second. While, of course, on the previous types of the network, older network infrastructure, this was much slower and much worse in terms of customer experience. The customers today really are utilizing all those things. So what we see is that the customers are watching a lot of video. Roughly 30 to 40% of our overall 4G traffic is about video. We also see that the customers are browsing the remaining 30 to 40%. So I would say the two major applications are browsing and video, and I have to say that the video part is increasing quite rapidly. So the customers, especially with 4G, are watching video content and video materials, and very interestingly enough, they're also actually streaming much more video from their 4G smartphones to the network itself. So this means whenever you are, I don't know, on Facebook or any other social network sites, and when you're uploading video or actually doing the real-time streaming, you are utilizing this 4G capability of very high upstream speed.
Vždy hovoríte, že máte najlepšiu 4G sieť na Slovensku. Teraz máte aj nejaký dôkaz, o ktorý sa dá oprieť? O čo ide?
So there was a study performed, but not only a study, but also the measurement performed by the P3 Communication, which is a worldwide leading provider of such measurement and comparisons of the performance of the mobile networks. And according to this study and the measurement, which was taking place in February this year for almost 2 weeks, all around Slovakia, they concluded that actually we have the best performing 3G and 4G network, and they gave us the certificate of performance, which is called Best in Test. So actually we are the best performing 3G and 4G network in this test conducted in February out of all operators at that time operating on Slovak market. This study is available on the internet, so on the web page of P3 Communication. Anyone can download it and can really look in details how this measurement has been done and how does Slovak Telekom compare to the other operators on the market.
Ďakujem pekne za rozhovor.
Nie za čo. Ďakujem vám.